Hi, this is Zoriana for Yapi Corporate, and I have some questions for you. Do you cut your own hair? And do you wash your own car? And girls, how many of you do your own nails at home? Now, sometimes we do. I have washed my own car a couple of times as well. But most of the time, we pay or ask somebody to do it for us. In such cases, we use the construction have or get something done. I can cut my own hair, but I don't think it's gonna look very pretty. That's why I have my hair cut. And as much as I like taking my own pictures, I don't look too good in selfies, so I'd rather have my picture taken. Could you take one, please? In the comments below, I'd really like to see which things you do by yourself and which ones you have done for you. Subscribe and stay with us.